Research and development, R&D, is a term used to describe the activities that companies and organizations undertake to innovate and introduce new products and services. It involves two main components. 1. Research. This is the process of studying and gaining new knowledge, which can be divided into basic research, aimed at understanding fundamental principles and theories without immediate commercial applications. Applied research, focused on practical applications of scientific knowledge and addressing specific problems or needs. 2. Development. This involves the use of research findings to create new products, processes, or technologies. Development activities are geared towards turning ideas and prototypes into marketable products or services. R&D, research and development, is best characterized as a mixed methods approach, rather than a single method. This comprehensive approach integrates various methodologies and techniques depending on the nature of the project, industry, and specific goals. Here's why and how R&D incorporates mixed methods. Why R&D is a mixed methods approach. 1. Diverse objectives. R&D activities encompass a wide range of objectives, from basic research to applied research and product development. Each objective might require different methodologies. 2. Multidisciplinary nature. R&D often involves multiple disciplines such as engineering, marketing, biology, and computer science. Each discipline brings its own set of methods and techniques. 3. Complex problems. Solving complex problems or innovating new products often requires integrating qualitative and quantitative research methods to gather comprehensive insights. 4. Iterative process. R&D is an iterative process that involves continuous refinement and validation. This requires flexibility in choosing and combining different methods at various stages. Key characteristics of R&D. Innovation. R&D is driven by the desire to innovate and improve. It aims to bring about new inventions or significant improvements to existing products or processes. Investment. It typically requires substantial investment in terms of time, money, and resources. Companies invest in R&D to stay competitive and drive growth. Uncertainty and risk. R&D activities often involve high levels of uncertainty and risk, as not all research leads to successful outcomes or marketable products. Collaboration. R&D frequently involves collaboration between different departments within a company, such as engineering, marketing, and production, and may also include partnerships with external organizations, such as universities and research institutions. Research and development R&D is conducted for several strategic reasons and at various stages of a product or technology lifecycle. Here are the key reasons and timings for conducting R&D. Reasons for conducting R&D. 1. Innovation and competitive advantage. Companies invest in R&D to develop new products, services, or technologies that differentiate them from competitors and meet emerging market demands. 2. Market expansion. R&D enables companies to enter new markets or expand their presence in existing markets by developing products tailored to different customer needs or regions. 3. Efficiency and cost reduction. Through R&D, businesses can improve their processes, reduce production costs, and enhance the quality of their products, leading to greater operational efficiency. 4. Addressing consumer needs. By understanding and anticipating consumer trends and needs, companies can develop products that better meet customer expectations, leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. 5. Compliance and standards. In many industries, R&D is necessary to meet regulatory requirements and industry standards. This is particularly important in sectors like pharmaceuticals, automotive, and aerospace. 6. Technological advancement. Continuous R&D allows companies to stay at the forefront of technological advancements, ensuring they are not left behind as new technologies emerge. 7. Long-term sustainability. Investing in R&D can lead to the development of sustainable practices and products, helping companies address environmental concerns and achieve long-term sustainability goals. When R&D is conducted. 1. Initial stages of product development. R&D is critical during the early stages of product development, from ideation and conceptualization to the creation of prototypes. This phase involves both basic and applied research to explore new ideas and possibilities. 2. Pre-launch phase. Before launching a new product, extensive R&D is conducted to refine the product, test its functionality, and ensure it meets market needs and regulatory requirements. This includes beta testing and pilot programs. 3. Post-launch improvement. After a product is launched, R&D continues to play a role in making iterative improvements based on customer feedback and market performance. This helps in maintaining the product's competitiveness. 4. Exploring new opportunities. R&D is also conducted when companies identify new market opportunities or technological advancements that can be leveraged to develop new products or services. 5. Strategic planning cycles. Companies often align their R&D activities with their strategic planning cycles. During these periods, they assess future trends, allocate resources, and set priorities for their R&D projects. 6. Response to market changes. R&D efforts are ramped up in response to significant market changes, such as new competitors, shifts in consumer preferences, or technological disruptions. This helps companies adapt and stay relevant. Conducting research and development, R&D, involves a structured and systematic approach to discover new knowledge, create innovations, and develop new products or processes. Here is a detailed breakdown of the R&D process, exemplified by common practices in various industries. 1. Idea generation and conceptualization. Process: brainstorming sessions. Teams come together to brainstorm new ideas based on market trends, customer feedback, and technological advancements. Market research: conducting surveys, focus groups, and analyzing market data to identify unmet needs and opportunities. Example: in the tech industry, a company like Apple may hold innovation workshops where engineers and designers brainstorm new features for the next iPhone based on user feedback and market trends. Narrative 2. Feasibility studies and initial research. Process: literature review. Studying existing research papers, patents, and technical reports to understand the current state of knowledge. Technical feasibility: assessing whether the idea is technically feasible with the current technology. Financial feasibility: estimating costs and potential returns to ensure the project is financially viable. Example: a pharmaceutical company might conduct initial research to understand the biological mechanisms of a new drug target, reviewing scientific literature and previous studies to ensure the idea is viable. Detailed research and experimentation. Process: design of experiments. Creating detailed plans for experiments to test hypotheses or develop prototypes. Prototyping: building initial versions of the product to test its functionality and performance. Data collection and analysis: conducting experiments and analyzing the results to refine hypotheses or improve prototypes. Example: in the automotive industry, Tesla might develop a prototype of a new battery technology, conducting experiments to test its efficiency, durability, and safety under various conditions. Conclusion: conducting R&D is a complex and iterative process involving idea generation, feasibility studies, detailed research, development and testing, regulatory checks, and commercialization. Each step requires collaboration across various disciplines and a structured approach to ensure successful outcomes. Through these processes, companies can innovate and bring new, valuable products to market. R&D is inherently a mixed methods approach, integrating both qualitative and quantitative methods to achieve a holistic understanding and solution to complex problems. This flexibility allows for more comprehensive insights, robust validations, and ultimately, more innovative and effective products and solutions. R&D is an ongoing and integral part of a company's strategy, aimed at fostering innovation, maintaining competitiveness, and ensuring long-term growth. It is conducted at various stages of the product lifecycle and in response to both internal strategic goals and external market dynamics. By continually investing in R&D, companies can adapt to changing environments, meet evolving customer needs, and achieve sustainable success. In summary, R&D is a crucial aspect of modern business and economic development, aimed at fostering innovation and bringing new products and services to market.